Now we've got the base connector. Let's go and make the two-way straight connector. And the easiest way to do that is having your base connector there and then go File, Save As, and save it as your two-way straight connector. It's that one there. Click on two-way straight connector, go start, save. It'll say, do you want to replace it? You say yes. And now that's our two-way straight connector. So we'll take this and convert it into that one right there. Okay. So pretty simple, you'd imagine. Let's try mirror. Now see this little blue box here, that's asking for the features. So you click on that. Now that feature is not enough. That's just the cylinder. We need to pick up the octagon. We need to select the chamfers, and we need to select the hole. So everything is basically blue. And if you move your mouse over there, anything that pops up green, you just make it blue. Now come down to this little box here and click on that. So that's blue, and that's asking for your mirror plane. And if you hover over there, you can see your mirror plane. Go OK. And there it is there. Now if we come around here, you'll notice the thread didn't come across. That's okay. We'll just click on this surface here, and that should come up there, that information. Go OK. And then we can just hit save. And now we've just saved our two-way straight connector. So now, while we're at it, we're going to go File, Save As, and we're going to save it as our four-way cross connector this time, four-way cross connector. So go, do you want to replace it? Yes. And now we're going to turn this one into that one there. So how are we going to do that? Well, you might have gone and used this one here before. It's called circular pattern. It's just down from where we use mirror. So click on circular pattern, and it's saying, what features do you want to use? You'll say, well, I want to select everything. So what I'm going to do is, see, when I just hover here, it only just picks up this part here. But if I come over here, it picks up everything. Everything's blue. And then we come down to rotation. You click on that. If you drop this little arrow here, you can see these different axis lines. I want you to pick that axis line there. And then I want you to click 2. And I want you to type in 90. And there it is there. So thread, we can just go around and put our threads in there. Okay, let's go put a fillet in there. So just click on fillet. It should be set to 2 mil. So look, click, 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 click. Okay, and there it is there. Now you can see all the way through that hole, but if you look here, it's blocked. This doesn't go all the way through, so we need to cut a hole through there. Again, nice and easy. So just come up, hover on that surface there, that little section in there, and we're going to do a new sketch on that surface. Then project geometry and pick up that inside yellow line there. Finish sketch. So we've got a yellow line there. It's a sketch, and wherever you can sketch, you can extrude, can't you? So we click on extrude, and that automatically extrudes. We say we want to cut it, and we want to cut it all the way through. And let's have a look now. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? So you can do that. Does it actually looks like that if you actually had this thing here? No. If I went to view and clicked on realistic, it looks more like that. But sometimes it's easier, especially when you're assembling things, to have it with edges on there, because then you can line things up. You can see where your faces are. Okay, so you can leave it like that, but I just thought I'd show you that. Right, so that's our four-way connector. So far we have made our base. We've saved our two-way straight connector. We've made our four-way cross connector. Okay, in the next one, we're going to make the three-way T connector. We'll see you in the next video.